Radhe Dwyer and welcome back to my channel Tamada's Table. Today we will be cooking a very popular in Georgia vegan dish, mushrooms with tarragon. Main ingredients: mushrooms, 2 pounds of button cremini of baby bella. Mushrooms are perfect for this dish. 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, I will be using canola. 1 cup finely chopped onion. Half cup dry white wine. 1.5 cups chopped whole scallions, white and green. Same amount of the coarsely chopped tarragon leaves, only leaf stalks are too tough. 1 cup of cilantro, 10 to 12 sour green plums, tkemali, which grow only in Georgia, but today are available on the internet or in Eastern European shops. If you don't have tkemali, you can substitute with 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 4 or 5 garlic cloves, and fresh ground black pepper and salt. Let's begin. Let's chop the onion first. Step number 2. Vegetable oil goes to the pot. I will heat the oil, and as soon as it's really hot, I will add onions. It's time to slice the mushrooms. Big mushrooms I will quarter. Oh, this is big enough. Good. Small mushrooms I will just slice in half. Mushrooms go to the pot with onions, and let's add wine. Cover and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. While mushrooms are cooking, let's prepare the herbs. And let's start with green onions and of course tarragon. So let's chop green onions, green and white. Tarragon. First remove the leaves from the stalks, which are tough, and we don't need them. Now let's chop the tarragon leaves coarsely. Tarragon leaves and green onions will go to the pot. Add tkemali to the pot. Stir from time to time. Cook covered on medium heat for 10-15 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender. Let's cut the cilantro. The mushrooms are tender. Let's add garlic and cilantro. All ingredients are inside the pot. Let's stir. And it will take approximately 5 minutes to cook more. But it's also time to season. Salt to your taste. I am using coarse salt, but you can use any salt you like. And freshly ground black pepper. Stir the dish again. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Our dish of today, mushrooms with tarragon or Soko Tarkhunit, is ready, and it's time to try. use all my small kitchen. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel, Tamada's Table, come back for more and share with your family and friends. Кем релат мир!